Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 40. Today, I want to compare Premiere Pro 2021 version 14.9 against for brand new DaVinci Resolve 17.2, which is the brand new version with amazing startup. Get ready for that. As you can see here, this software is here and Premiere Pro is also here. Okay, get ready to launch this beautiful application, very beautiful software. Okay, now get ready for that. 1 2 3 4 5. Let me put this here and click on this button. Let's click 1 2 3. Let's go. Start. Okay, it's launching. 1 2 3 and go. Oh, 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 let me reset. Let me restart. Okay, close this thing quickly. Close this thing again. Okay, I want to see who is fast. DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro. Get ready. I want to restart again. Okay, are you ready? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Go. Start here. Okay, wait. Don't move and stop. As you can see, almost 10 seconds. Almost 10 seconds. Okay, let me write this thing here. Just 10 seconds. Okay, nice. Now let's test DaVinci Resolve. The brand new DaVinci Resolve 17.2. Okay, as you can see, it's here. Now I'm ready to do the same thing. I just to click on enter to launch. Are you ready? Okay, let me reset this thing quickly and get ready. Now 1 2 3 4 5. Click on enter. Okay, look at watch. Get ready. Stop. Ooh. Who is fast? Who is fast? Yeah, who is fast? Okay, let me close also this application. Let me close this software. Let's close again and make a second test. Okay, go. Nice. Now get ready for a second test. Okay, first give you this. Now reset and let's try again. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 enter. Start. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 and stop. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Almost 9 seconds. Okay, almost 9 seconds. Okay, let me close this DaVinci Resolve. Okay, and let's go for a another test. Okay, second test. Okay, I have Premiere Pro here. Okay, I have DaVinci here. Okay, now let's test. Let's go for a second time. First of all, let's launch Adobe Premiere Pro. Reset. 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, we're doing 1 2 3 4 5. Stopped. Okay, and okay, as you can see, is almost the same. 10, almost 10 seconds. Almost 10 seconds. Okay, let me close DaVinci. Let me close Premiere Pro. Okay, now let's go back with DaVinci Resolve. Okay, reset and get ready. Click on enter. Let's start. Go 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 go. Stop. As you can see, almost the same thing. The above video editing software are fast. The both video editing software are fast. The both, yes, as you can see, it's the same result. The brand new, basically the brand new update of DaVinci, the DaVinci Resolve 17.2 is fast than the previous version. I recommend you to install this absolutely because it's amazing. Now let please take your chrono and test this by yourself right now. Let's open Premiere Pro and open a project to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Let me open a project quickly. 60 HDR project. Okay. Okay, as you can see, working. No problem with this. Nice. Okay. Now close this. And now let's open DaVinci. Okay. Get ready. Take your chrono again. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh! I think that is the same. There are SSD NVMe PCI in my computer. This is my Asus Rock30 and it's very fast. Definitely fast with the both software. Do you believe this? Now let me open a project, double click, almost the same project in the DaVinci Resolve, and look at what you have here, which is also HDR project. As you can see, they both working perfectly now, and I think that is the same speed now. If you have a brand new version of Premiere Pro or a brand new version of DaVinci Resolve 17.2, now you will obtain the same startup, the same speed when you put the both software. This is something crazy from DaVinci Resolve because it's for the first time we have a so amazing and fast video editing from DaVinci Resolve. This is a great update. Definitely you need to have this. Wow, even the studio version. Damn. Say to me what you think about this, and I'll see you later for more videos now because you are so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Ha! I love you all.